Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm yet again back with another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can place your orders on the Shein app. So Shein helps you connected with different forms of fashion trends and different fashion styles that are currently trendy, and if you'd like to shop from Shein, I'm going to show you how you can place your orders. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Shein app on your mobile device and then head over to the app. As you open up the app and are already logged in, you'll be able to land on the shop interface, and here you can see different forms of options available to you. You can scroll down to see that there are shopping by category. So here I'm just going to show you by going to dresses. So when I go to dresses, I'll be shown different forms of dresses that are available on Shein. There are also different options available here. There are also sizes over here that you can customize. There are also types over here, and you can also filter out. So you can see here there are different options for you to filter out. So here you can also set the price range. So here I'm just going to set up a particular price range to show you how exactly this can be done, and then tap on the done button. So here now different forms of clothing are available to me. So I'm just gonna select this particular one and then tap on add to bag. As I tap on add to bag, I also have to select the size. So I'm just going to select extra small and then tap on add to bag again. After I do this, you'll be able to see that on the top right corner there's a bag. Go to the bag, and then when you see this, you can also increase the number or just do it like this and then tap on checkout. After you tap on checkout, now the first thing you have to do is giving your shipping address. So for shipping address, you have to select a country or region in the very beginning. Currently by default, my country or region has been set to Nepal, to which it says that they're not temporarily shipping to, but you can always set a country or region, and then also give in your first name, your last name, your phone number, the city, the province, the post or zip code, your address line 1 and address line 2 in a detailed format, and then tap on save. After you tap on the save button, you'll also have to give them the information for your payment, and make sure that you make the payment by giving in your credit card, debit card, or any other information. So this is basically how you can place your order on Shein. It's quite a simple process, but they will require a lot of information so that your items are delivered in the correct places and that you make the payment for it. So I hope that this video has been able to guide you through the process. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.